So in this video today, we're going to be talking about how you can start generating $200 per day in your online affiliate marketing business, even if you're a newbie. We're starting right now. What's up guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, back with another video this week. And if this is the first time you come to my channel, welcome. On this channel we teach you all about how to make money with an internet connection and a laptop. So if that interests you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the little notification so that you don't miss any of these videos, because every video I release is going to get you a step closer to your actual financial goal. So in this video today, I want to talk to you guys and really kind of give you the information that you need to know in order to start generating $200 per day, even if you're a newbie. Now you can see here from this screenshot that I've been able to generate over $700 in the last 2 days, and it's not that difficult to do. Anybody can do it, even if you're a newbie. Now, what I'm going to be discussing with you guys today is not rocket science, and it's something that if you listen to my direction and you kind of follow the steps that I'm going to lay out for you in this video, you can actually start generating this type of income very quickly, right? But the problem is, when you first start out online, you hear so much information and you're following so many different people, and you're not really focusing on like one thing. That causes information overload, the shiny object syndrome, and you just get scattered. So what I want to do today is kind of direct you in a simple path so that you can actually take these simple steps, and then you can actually move forward and actually start generating money online. And I hope that this video helps you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So basically there's 4 different things that when newbies start out online, they're told to do, right? A lot of the gurus are telling you to do these 4 things, and I'm going to go through it. So the first thing is building a squeeze page. Second thing is creating a lead magnet or some content so that you can start building your list. Number 3, you have to find a high converting product that's going to sell. And number 4, you have to learn how to drive traffic to a sales funnel or a website or a blog. So as a brand spanking new newbie, all of this information is coming at you at once, and then you're trying to perfect all of these 4 different components at one time. And it's too difficult. I'm trying to look you guys in the eyes, look you guys in the camera, and tell you, if you're just starting out and you're new to this, it's too difficult to master all of those things at one time. I've tried it and I failed miserably. What you really need to do if you really want to start generating $200 a day is you have to plug into a system that does all the heavy lifting for you. Now that screenshot that I showed you earlier, where I generated over $700 in 2 days, is a system that I plugged into that does all the heavy lifting for me. Because when you think about it, if you want to generate leads, you have to have a squeeze page, right? So you have to learn how to create a high converting squeeze page, which means you have to know how to create high converting headlines and subject lines. And that's not something that you're going to learn overnight. There's marketers that are out there that have been doing this for eons that know exactly what's going to convert. And that's how they're able to build these high converting squeeze pages, which leads to high opt-in rates, which leads to more sales on the back end. But if you're creating your squeeze page and lead pages or ClickFunnels, and you're getting a 10% opt-in rate and you're spending money on traffic, you're going to quit really soon, because you're not getting enough traffic through your funnel to actually pay for your advertising or even pay for your actual tools that you're spending money on. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, okay, we go to the content creation. If you have to create a lead magnet, so say you need to create a video series or an ebook, this is something that is difficult for somebody that is starting out. it's difficult for people that have been doing this for a while. So if you're not a writer, if you're not tech savvy to know how to put together an ebook, if you're not like a video person where you can create videos and do trainings and have everything succinct in a chronological order so that it makes sense, so that it actually converts into the person on the other end buying the product that you want them to buy, it is extremely difficult. The next thing is, okay, how do you find a high converting product? You know, somebody's telling you this product is the best, somebody's telling you this product is the best, this product has sales, but when you try to sell it, it's not selling for you. It's not succinct, you're not putting everything in line together. And then the last thing is you're not getting enough traffic to your website. And you're learning all of these different things. Everyone's telling you to do all of these different traffic methods, and this is the best and that's the best. And you're learning, right? And what you don't want to do is you don't want to lose money. But what I want to kind of convey to you guys is when it comes to traffic generation, you're going to have to take some time to learn how to drive traffic. So, and that's why I suggest that people pick like one free method of traffic generation and one paid method. And then you take your budget and you have a budget for the month, and then that's what you use to start, you know, learning paid traffic. So you could do Facebook ads, you could do Google PPC, you could do Bing, you could do YouTube ads, you could do solo ads, and then pick one free method where you're doing blogging, where you're doing YouTube, where you're doing forum marketing. Whatever your free option is, you need to go ahead and start perfecting that. Instead of trying to do so many different traffic generation methods at one time. So when you think about all those 4 different things, that's a lot to know, and it's a lot to learn as a spanking brand new newbie. And even if you get all of these components into place, the squeeze page, the lead magnet, the follow-ups, and your autoresponder, the product XYZ, it's still very difficult to even know if your funnel is going to actually convert. And again, people get frustrated because they get these things together, they've gone through these courses, they spent their money, their time, and then they make $0. So what I want to convey to you guys, and this is something that I really wish that I would have done from the beginning instead of trying to do everything, you know, myself at the beginning. And all of that stuff will come in due time. Like, you'll learn to start creating your own funnels, your own products, and this and that. But at the beginning, if you're a newbie and you want to start making some money now, you have to jump into a system that's already proven to convert. You have to promote a product or a system that already has a high converting squeeze page, that has all the training, that has all the lead magnets, that has all the valuable content, that has all the follow-up systems, that has all the multiple products that you can sell, and everything is organized and everything is succinct, and you just plug in and you get your system set up, and all you have to do from that point is just drive traffic. And there's also, you got to have some good training on traffic generation, but you just focused on, you know, your 2 traffic methods that you're going to be doing, one paid, one free, and then you just drive traffic to that system, and then you're going to start seeing some income coming in. But if you're trying to do 20 different things, if you're trying to perfect your own squeeze page, you're trying to create a lead magnet, and you're brand new and you don't really have the expertise yet, it's not converting. This is why. You know, so you have to rely on people and systems that have done this before you. I've done this, you know, for years, and I still do this today because it's easier to plug into something that's converting versus me having to create something from scratch. Now, I do create my own funnels and I create my own products, but I've been doing this for a while, right? I've been doing this for a while, so I kind of know, I've been through all the pitfalls. But for you just starting out, you need to definitely plug into something that is going to help you skip all the pitfalls of all the conversion tactics and the split testing and high converting opt-ins and lead magnets and the training and support and everything in between. Plug into something and then start earning some income, and then you're learning as you're earning, and that's how you need to start out if you want to generate $200 a day or any money online as a spanking brand new newbie. Now, I know that this was kind of a rant and I was kind of up and down with my thought process, but I hope you guys really understood, you know, what I was trying to convey in this video. So Don't kill yourself trying to, do all the different things, all the different components in those 4 categories that we kind of talked about, that we laid out for you guys. Plug into a system that is going to help you generate income, that's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. So I'll have my #1 recommended system that you guys can kind of get access to. It'll be in the description below, the first link in the description. So you can go ahead and plug into that system, get set up, do everything, follow the steps from A to Z, and then you can start seeing income in your online business. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Peace, guys.